Welcome. In this guide you will learn how to check the raw transaction data in Minop, the exact punches that come from your devices, before any attendance calculation is applied to them. We begin on the admin dashboard. On the left sidebar, hover over the Utilities group. From the menu that opens, click on Transaction Monitor. The page opens completely empty. It says, "No data to show. Start by applying a filter." That is normal. This screen holds thousands of punches, so it waits until you tell it what you want. Click the filter icon on the right edge. The filter panel slides in. It has company, branch, device, or from and to date, and employee. Start with company. Click on it. The list of companies opens, and at the top there is a Select All option. Tick it to take every company at once. The button now reads All. Select 36 companies are chosen. Next is branch. Note that this list stays empty until a company is chosen. The three are a chain. Click on branch. Again choose Select All. All 76 branches are now selected. Then device, these are the punching machines themselves. Click on it. Select all of them, so no machine is left out. 7 devices are selected. Now the period. Click on the From date. The calendar opens on July 2026. Pick the 1st of July. The date fills in as 01-07-2026, day, month, year format on this screen. Now click the To date. From this calendar choose the 28th of July, which is today. So the window is the 1st of July to the 28th, the current month so far. The last filter is employee. Click on it. Choose Select All here too, so the report covers everyone. 17 employees are selected. Every filter is now set. At the bottom of the panel are 3 buttons: Clear Filters, Search and Download. Click Search. The raw transaction data appears. Every row here is one punch, exactly as the device recorded it. The first columns identify the person, employee code, punch ID and employee name. Punch time is the moment the finger or face was read on the machine. Then come the device details, the device code, the device name, its IP address and the device type, so you know exactly which machine recorded that punch. Entry date is when the punch reached the server. Comparing it with punch time tells you whether a device was sending data late. At the bottom it reads, showing 1 to 10 of 218 entries. Open the drop-down beside it and pick 100. It also offers 500, 700 and 1000 rows. Now 100 punches are listed together. Scroll down through them, and you can follow the same person punching again and again through the day. Keep going and you reach the older punches, right back to the 1st of July. Now for downloading. Just above the table, next to the page length box, there is a small arrow icon. That one gives you an Excel file of the 100 rows you are looking at right now. And to get everything, open the filter panel again and click the green Download Excel button beside Search. That saves an Excel file with all 218 records, the whole filtered set, not just the page on screen. That is how you check the raw transaction data in Minop. Filter by company, branch, device, date and employee, view the punches exactly as the machines recorded them, and download the whole set to Excel. Thank you for watching.